the Green Country Plan?
Green Country Plan is an ISA project conducted by Gurukul Academy um, with of in ISA project, and this Go Green project is a doing collaboration with Indian organization which is Project Green Hand, which was established by Sadhguru, and with the joint effect of Indian government, this project is doing good works, like it is planting trees and it is saving the plants and growing more plants in India.
What are being done in India and Nepal for promoting the greenhouse?
Establishment of Project Green Hand. Um, it was established to plant trees with Sadhguru, and in because of the development in India and Nepal, the afforestation was completely disturbed and deforestation was going on with the increase of urbanization in the country. And similarly in Nepal, the project Hariyo Nepal Ko Dhan is not was not in good condition because deforestation was being done in very high number, and because of that we have started Hariyo Nepal Ko Dhan project to grow more plants and do afforestation in Nepal.
What are the similarities that we find in Nepal's and in Indian project for saving the trees?
The similarities are both the countries are doing afforestation programs, and with joint effects of the country and the organization, the afforestation is being done in the destructive areas, like the place where urbanization are being done, and people should grow at least a tree in their house to do afforestation. Small try small try of some people can do better for the environment. And similarly in Nepal also, people should do afforestation. We need to conserve our forest and plant trees in our home.
And what are the future plan of these two projects?
The future plan of these two projects are to to make the environment pollution free and to do afforestation and eco-friendly environment around us.
And what is the recommendation of the people for the project?
Recommendation. And the recommendation for these two projects are: we need to do afforestation in a certain time, like we need to plant tree weekly, monthly. How can we do? We need to do more afforestation, and eco-friendly environment should be created by us.
Thank you.